There's the baby. There's the baby. There's the baby, huh? Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, 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 ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding. Santa, won't you hurry down the chimney tonight? We've been waiting all year long for you and your reindeer in the sky. I ain't fucking with you. I'm pretty in the morning. You know when you go to bed and you swear that you took off all your mascara? You swear. There was nothing left. You wake up.
The lie detector test determined that was a lie.
Oh my God!
So I went to my dermatologist and he removed like this thing I had on my face right here because it was questionable. Melanoma runs in the family, so rather get it removed than wait it out and see what happens, you know what I'm saying? You want to go with me or are you going to stay?
I can walk in with you right now. Just give me 2 minutes.
Okay. I'm going to walk to the UPS store and pick up some packages that are there. It's going to be fun. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Ooh, what a lovely day. Wow, look at that. Oh, it smells like urine so bad. I got my packages from UPS. And now we're walking back home. Shoot, shoot, ba-doo, shoot, ba-doo. Ooh. Sephora. I use that 20% off coupon thing to get fragrance because I just want fragrance. I don't really wear perfume. Oh yeah, I forgot. I like the fragrance Santal. Is it 33 is the one I wear? And I like it a lot. So I was trying to find other ones that are similar to it or that would be recommended if you like that one. So this one was recommended, Commodity Boys. I've never smelled it before. Ordering fragrance online if you don't know what you're looking for is it's like trying to shop for jeans online. You really gotta try it on, but I just went for it. And then I got Maison Louise Marie number 4. Oh, this is tiny, first of all. Oh, that is really similar. Oh, wow, that's almost identical to Santal. Is it Santal 33? Oh, I like that. I was reading reviews online and they said the oil, the perfume oil, was a lot better than the spray. So that's why I got it. And then I got this, the Glow Cup. Kind of looks like a Diva cup, huh? So apparently these are just suction. It's like a plastic tube and it sucks onto your face and lifts fine lines and wrinkles. I don't know. We're gonna try it though. Okay, so I have this lady coming over. She's helping me organize this situation. This is like where I film, where my makeup's at, where I work, like my office or edit or whatever. And it's just a disaster in here. Disaster is an understatement. If you saw my home tour, I kind of like gave a little example of how bad it is. So she's coming over, she's gonna help me organize and yeah, so we'll see how that goes. I don't know if I've ever cleaned my computer. Little brown specks in it. I'm gonna assume it was chocolate. And then I started wiping it down. And you know when you start cleaning, you start to really pay attention to how dirty something is? Oh my God. I'm gonna say there was a lot of chocolate in the keyboard.
Okay, this may be stupid to some, but here's what I'm trying to do. I set up a little flat lay. Flat lay is like a, let me show you. It's like a product shot, essentially. So I got like this whiteboard I had in my room and set up some products. I'm gonna take a picture of it, play around with it, see what I like. And then you have like a product shot for Instagram and stuff. This is my life. I don't like, this is like natural. It's just like, my stuff randomly fell like that. What do we wanna watch on TV? So I'm gonna edit these photos and like play around on Lightroom. Kind of boring, but this thing is driving me nuts. It's like a big ass hole in my face. I can't cover it with makeup. It just looks more big and holy, but I guess it's better than skin cancer, so there's that. Ooh, catfish is on. We're trying to reverse, and these people just have their baby in the carriage right behind us, so we can't reverse. Excuse me. Excuse me. We got a massage earlier today, and that was so great. You have no idea. The guy like beat me up, and I kind of like those types of massages. I don't like the massage where they're all gentle. Like, I want to be beat. Get those knots out of my back. Beat me, hurt me. And there are so many massage places out here. I think a lot of them might be sketchy and not real. Like, they probably give a happy ending or whatever. That's fine. So it was like $40 for 60 minutes, and it was so good. This is not a cute angle. What else are we gonna do? We're going to the 99-cent store because we're big spenders. Fern needs hangers.
Oh yeah, let's go get some hand soap.
Oh yeah, hand soap. I got so much stuff. We got some cleaning stuff and
Thanks.
you stink.
Thank you.
Ginger was happy?
Yes, please. Still on fire.